How to fix you edited your profile too many times on TikTok. In order to solve the problem, first of all tap on TikTok for a while. After you tap on TikTok for a while, you will see a screen like this. Now you have to go to the I option here. After you tap on the I option, you can see the screen up app information. After you see the screen up app information, now you have to go to the option of storage. After you go to the option of storage, you'll see a screen like this. Now you have to check whether there is any cache or not. If there is any cache, you have to clear down the cache. Now you have to go back. Now you have to go to the option of notifications. After you go to the option of notification, you have to see whether all the notifications have been allowed or not. You have to see whether the interface is like this or not, where allow notification has been enabled and allow sound and vibration has also been enabled. If so, go back. Now you have to go to the option of permissions. After going to the option of permission, you have to see whether all the permission has been allowed or not. If all the permission has been allowed, you have to go back. And then you have to go to the option of set as default. After you go to the option of set as default, you have to keep the settings to open the supported links. After that, you have to go back. Now after going back, you have to scroll down until you find the option of app details in store. After you tap on the option on App Details in Store, your very TikTok account will be opened in Google Play and you have to see whether it has been updated or not. And if it's updated, you can open it and you can log in your TikTok account and you can see that your problem has been solved.
Thank you for watching the video, and if you like our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.